Our bodies are constantly talking to us. They're sending out these subtle signals about our health way, way before we ever feel sick. For centuries, we've really struggled to understand this language, but that's all starting to change. It turns out AI is finally becoming fluent in our body's secrets.
Okay, let's just dive right in with a pretty wild question. Could a simple photo of your tongue actually be a window into the health of your heart? I know, it sounds like something out of science fiction, but it's at the very heart of a revolution in how we understand our own health.
So, the core idea we're exploring today is that AI is basically acting like a detective. It's finding these hidden, totally non-obvious clues all over our bodies. It's learning to spot the patterns that come before a disease shows up, turning these subtle little signs into really powerful early warnings.
All right, so here's our roadmap. We're going to start with clues right on the surface of our bodies, then we'll dive deeper to signals within our cells. After that, we'll take a look at the brain's incredibly complex wiring, and finally, we'll piece it all together to see this proactive health revolution that's really starting to unfold.
So, our investigation kicks off with signals that are, believe it or not, surprisingly easy to access. Clues that are hidden in plain sight, right on the surface of our skin. Let's circle back to that tongue photo. In a recent study, researchers trained an AI model on over 12,000 tongue images from patients who had also had heart scans. The AI was taught to analyze features that clinicians have looked at for centuries, things like color, coding, and cracks, but with a level of precision and consistency that is just, it's superhuman. And the results? They're pretty stunning. For detecting specific blockages in the coronary arteries, the model hit around 80% accuracy. Now, to be clear, this isn't going to replace an angiogram, but just imagine it as a super fast, non-invasive screening tool, especially in places that don't have access to all that expensive equipment. So the really crucial point here is the shift from subjective to objective. A traditional tongue exam, it relies so heavily on a doctor's individual experience. But the AI, it standardizes the whole analysis. It brings computer vision precision, which means the exact same tongue photo gets the exact same reading every single time. And that, right there, opens the door for reliable, low-cost screening on a massive scale. But the tongue isn't the only surface telling a story. Let's look at sweat. A company called PointFit has developed this skin-worn sensor that, get this, basically reads your sweat in real time. No needles, no trips to the lab, just a patch that gives you a direct window into your body's metabolic state. So how would you even use this? Well, the sensor measures key biomarkers like lactate and electrolytes, giving you live feedback. If you're an athlete, this is a total game changer for pacing and hydration. But for the rest of us, it's about using personalized data to train smarter and avoid pushing ourselves too hard. Okay, so let's move from the surface now. We're going to go deeper inside the body, down to the cellular level, where AI is starting to detect these critical changes long before they ever become a real problem. This is fascinating. Researchers at MIT made a pretty startling discovery about the liver. They found that a prolonged high-fat diet doesn't just lead to something like fatty liver disease. It can actually push liver cells into this strange precancerous state. It's effectively giving tumors a head start, years before they're even detectable. And this lays out the process perfectly. It all starts with that constant metabolic stress, which forces the liver cells into a kind of survival mode. It's an adaptation. They're just trying to cope. But in the process, they lose their normal function, and the tissue itself becomes primed for tumors. It's a survival mechanism that, totally unintentionally, paves the way for disease. Staying within the body, let's shift gears and look at fertility. Monitoring ovarian follicles during IVF is a really time-consuming manual process. But now there's an AI platform that was trained on over 5,000 scans from all over the world, and it can automate it completely. It detects, it counts, and it measures the follicles, all from a standard ultrasound. And just look at the difference it makes. The AI performs this task 2.5 times faster than an expert sonographer. This doesn't just save time. It reduces the manual workload, it cuts costs, and it helps standardize the quality of care across different clinics and even in different countries. All right, now for the most complex system of all, the human brain. Mapping its trillions of connections is honestly one of the greatest challenges in all of science, but here too, AI is just fundamentally changing the speed of discovery. Researchers have built this incredible system called SmartEM. The best way to think of it is as an intelligent microscope. Instead of scanning an entire brain sample at super high resolution, which takes forever, it does a quick low-res first pass, The AI then identifies all the tricky, complex areas and automatically goes back to rescan only those parts at high quality. It's so clever. So, what's the result of this? It speeds up the whole process of mapping neural circuits by up to 7 times. That is a massive leap forward. We're talking about the difference between a project taking a full year versus just a couple of months. And why does this matter so much? Well, because it allows scientists to scale up their research in a huge way. Understanding the brain's wiring is absolutely key to tackling conditions like Alzheimer's, depression, and stroke. So by accelerating the mapping process, SmartM is accelerating our fundamental understanding of the brain itself. So we've seen signals from the tongue, from sweat, from the liver, and from the brain. Let's pull back and connect all the dots, because when you take them together, these technologies are signaling a major shift in how we approach healthcare.
You know, the researchers behind these tools really put it best. This is not about AI replacing doctors, not at all. It's about giving them powerful new tools, these new layers of information to make healthcare more proactive, meaning we can catch things earlier, more accessible, meaning we can screen more people, and more precise, meaning care can be tailored to you, the individual. The common thread that links all of these examples is this big move away from reactive medicine to proactive health. We're seeing more non-invasive screening, the standardization of expert analysis, and a big push to make advanced diagnostics more accessible for everyone. At the end of the day, it's all about turning our body's quietest signals into loud, clear, actionable data.
And this brings us to the final, and maybe the most exciting, part of our whole exploration. We've seen what AI can read today. But what about tomorrow? So I'll leave you with this question to think about. As AI gets better and better at translating our body's secret language, from our breath to our voice to even the way we walk, which of these future signals do you think will be the one that truly changes the future of health for all of us? The investigation, it seems, has only just begun.